Welcome to the incredible journey of early human development, a remarkable process that begins long before a baby is visible to the outside world. It all starts around week 2, when fertilization occurs. A single sperm meets an egg, forming a new cell called a zygote. This tiny cell immediately begins dividing into many cells as it slowly travels through the fallopian tube toward the uterus. Even at this microscopic stage, an extraordinary biological process is already underway. By week 3, the cluster of rapidly multiplying cells reaches the uterus and attaches itself to the uterine lining in a process called implantation. This step is extremely important because it allows the developing embryo to receive nutrients and support from the mother's body. Hormones are released that signal the body to maintain the pregnancy and prepare for the months of development ahead. By week 4, the embryo has formed, and although it is only about the size of a poppy seed, the basic plan for the entire human body has already begun to take shape. Around week 5, early development becomes even more fascinating. The embryo has a curved shape, and a primitive heart begins to beat for the first time, helping circulate blood through the tiny developing body. During week 6, important structures begin forming rapidly. The early brain grows quickly, and features such as the nose, mouth, and ears start to appear. At the same time, the foundations of the digestive system and other internal organs begin developing. By week 7, the embryo grows significantly, and small developing hands and feet start to form. The body is still very tiny, but the structure of a human form is becoming clearer. In week 8, the nervous system becomes more active as nerve cells connect and primitive neural pathways begin forming. These connections allow the embryo to make its first small movements inside the uterus, although they are far too gentle to be felt. Week 9 marks an important stage as the basic anatomy continues to develop and the embryo begins to look more like a miniature human. Tiny details such as small earlobes become visible, and growth continues steadily. By week 10, the limbs can bend at the joints, and delicate structures like fingernails and toenails begin to form. Week 11 brings even more development as the fetus grows stronger and begins making natural movements like stretching and turning. These movements help muscles and joints develop properly. By week 12, reflexes become more noticeable. Fingers can open and close, toes may curl, and early sucking motions appear, showing the growing coordination between muscles and nerves. Finally, by week 13, the fetus has developed unique fingerprints, and many internal organs are clearly formed and continuing to mature. At this stage, development is progressing rapidly, preparing the body for the months ahead. From a single cell to a complex developing human, these first 13 weeks reveal the extraordinary precision and beauty of early life. Each week brings new changes, new structures, and new abilities, reminding us just how intricate and awe-inspiring the beginning of human development truly is.